What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. It's a red day, guys. It's a red day. Check it out. Alright, guys. So today, didn't really like much on my gap scans. Yesterday, 0 trades. I actually tweeted about it in the afternoon. So if you want to follow my Twitter, sometimes I take an extra trade at the end of the day. If things are, there after I've uploaded a recap video, and I'll tweet about it and I'll put up my orders. So if you want to find out about that, you want to definitely follow my Twitter. Link in the description section below so that you can click it and you'll go straight to my Twitter account and you can just click follow. Very simple. And I post up there, a bunch of stuff all the time. So you'll be interested on that. I'll also upload, the links to my videos when they hit YouTube, etc. So yesterday, 0 trades. Today, I did not like much of anything, but I said, you know what, if something kind of shows that it's looking good, I'm going to take a trade on it. We're going to minimize risk. We're going to keep it, we're going to keep it small. We're going to keep everything in control. If I'm red, nothing else looks A+++, I'm not going to take a second trade because I don't need to be pushing myself on red days. I need to push myself on the green days. So when I'm hot, I need to go for that second, third, fourth trade. Always minimizing risk in each consecutive trade. When I'm red, I don't really need to take that second or third trade unless there's an A+++ set up, there that can make everything back for me, which it's happened in the past. There's videos where I've shown you guys where I've started off the day red, taking 1 or 2 trades, both of them red. My third trade, smaller size, huge, bigger win that knocks out all my red, plus puts me in the green on the day. So today, just that one trade. I'm going to show it to you right now. But first, let me show you the gap scanners. Here they are. As you can see, not much going on at all. This is ZVV. This is not something that I would trade, especially since it only has 202 shares traded today. So as you can see, not much else going on. AIM was the leading gapper today. Let me show you that action. Yep, shorter's dream right here. Honestly, like, this is ridiculous, and it's just going lower and lower. It's ridiculous. So my trade today, here's my watch list: Roku, SOLY, GHSI, which is the one I traded, AIM, NBY, and I traded GHSI. Now, GHSI is a little punk because it's back up over VWAP. Can you see this real good? Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit there. There you go. I'll show you the action. I do have this trade recorded for you live. If you just see this, which is what I was seeing in the moment, you're seeing yourself a real nice bull flag pattern setting up between VWAP and the 9 EMA. Real nice volume on that big pop, okay? Decreasing volume during the consolidation phase, telling you this is a clean setup. So I took this setup, I really did take the setup, and I have it all live recorded for you, and I'm going to show that to you right here. One little interesting fact, my screen capture today did not want to record, so I ended up recording this for you with my iPhone, just staring at the screen as the trade progressed. So bear with me while I bring that up here for you. A for effort, I think. So smash that like button for me because I still brought you a live trade even though my screen capture didn't want to work. So stand by. Here it goes. All right, guys. So let's get this live trade over here. What is happening? Here we go. Now, as you can see, it's not a screen capture. It is literally me using my cell phone to record the screen while it was happening because I really wanted to capture this live for you guys, and since my screen capture didn't want to work, this was my only other option. Okay, so let me move this a little bit over so you can see the chart fully. Bring this a tad down. As you can see here, we had GHSI make this nice push off the open. These are 3-minute candles. Very nice big volume on that pop. And then as we're trading sideways here above VWAP and the 9 EMA, we are decreasing volume, showing just some casual profit taking, no big dumps, no scares, right? No washes. So I jump in there. I first bought 1,000 shares on this pullback here. When we regained here, I added another 1,000. And I go all the way up to 3,000 shares on this trade just because as the trade progressed and my stop, which was the 90 MA, started to creep up closer to my area, which was that 68 to 70 cent area, my risk was decreasing, meaning my dollar amount risk was decreasing. So I could, if I wanted to, increase my share size, thus keeping my dollar amount risk the same as it always was, right? At the beginning when I jumped into this, I had about a 3 to 4 cent risk. So with 1,000 shares, I was risking 30 to 40 bucks. As the trade progressed, I went from 3 to 4 cents to 3 to 2 cents to 2 to 1 cents, right, in risk. So I increased my shares accordingly. I mean, at one point I was risking 1 penny for the chance at making 4 to 10 pennies, right? I mean, that's a real good risk reward. I'll take that trade again tomorrow. So here's how it plays out. Where's my cursor? See everything there? Yes, you can. Okay, so here we go. It's not moving too fast. We regained that VWAP area, 70 cent area. We go up there to kind of test the high of day. Got 2,000 shares on. I'm not looking to take any profit there because I'm thinking we're going to really pop over it, go to like 75 cents. I'm in from 70 cents. Sorry for all the movement. I was literally doing this with my arm, my cell phone. I was getting kind of tired there, just holding that thing up while looking at the screen and holding onto the mouse. We hit that 72.50 area and we come back down. I'm like, damn, well, I don't like that, but let's see what happens. So then, wow, really? Then we go all the way back down there to the 90 MA, as you can tell. That's my stop area. Now I'm starting to get a little concerned here. I'm thinking this trade might not work out, but if we hold that 90 MA, I'm going to hold on to the trade. Now, what I want you to see is we tap that 90 MA, which coincides with the low of this candle here, okay? And we start to take it back. When I see that action, right, I say, this thing is stronger than I think it is. Let me add more. So I add another 1,000 shares there, thus still keeping the same dollar amount risk on the table and increasing my upside tremendously. Now, this trade was a 17-minute long trade, so it was really long. See how we get that action there? I'm like, well, damn, this looks really, really good. So here any second now, I will add right around here, I believe. There it is. I add, we get this action here. We're holding above 70 cents. I add to my position. And I'm thinking, you know what? We're going to start taking profit on this, between 74 to 75 cents. And we're going to see if we get a push up to 80 cents. 3,000 shares, that's a real nice move. This easily could have been a couple $100 win. And I was just risking 30 to 40 bucks. Risk reward, right? That's all it's about. Risk reward. So we start to, kind of like test back that 72.50 area. We had a nice little volume increase there on that regain of the VWAP area. But we can't break through for some reason. Now we have this 90 MA up here at 70 cents. VWAP is still up here. We're holding this area. I'm like, you know what? I'll stop out of this thing at 68 cents. I'm risking a penny and a half. Considering my average, I'm risking 30, 40 bucks. We're holding it. Now we're starting to get that action. And let me tell you, volume really slowed down. Let me see if I get another volume shot here. If I move my phone down so you can see the volume. Yeah, look at that volume. When I saw that we were getting, this is a real nice bull flag. But when I saw this volume drop off so much compared to the volume bars over here, like this trade was looking great in here. Then out of nowhere, while the trade is actually looking even better, the volume just starts to drop off. And I was like, this is not looking good anymore. But a lot of times, I've said that, exited the trade early, and this thing just skyrockets. So I said, I'm not going to do that, right? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hold tight to my plan here. My risk is minimal. It's nothing, right? And my upside potential is great. Then we get this action that is coming up here. Here it comes. Once I see this action, I'm like, this is not looking too good anymore. And I begin to get ready to take it off because I see the dump coming. Right there, I take it off and then look at the dump. It goes all the way back down to the low a day. Then it regained and made a new high, but not by much, by like maybe half a penny. So the trade just didn't work itself out. You know what I'm saying? It just didn't work out. And that's fine because my risk was very small. Here are my orders. My initial buy at 69 cents. I added more at 70 and I added more at 73.5. And then I stopped out at 69. What'd I lose here? A penny? It's fine. I lost a penny. I risked 1 penny for the chance at making 4 to 10 pennies. I'd say that's really good risk reward. If this trade would have worked out, it would have been a real nice trade for the day. Instead, I'm sitting red on the day, 40 bucks. Big deal. It's fine. You know, the winners are usually 150, 300 bucks, almost 400 bucks. So losing $40 today is not a big deal whatsoever. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Smash that like button for me because you have no idea all the trouble I went to today to get this video out there for you, including capturing that live trade with my cell phone. Hope you enjoyed that. Enjoyed the hustle and the effort. I'll catch you on the next one.